It's in Nador, which is under here. This is the largest lake in the Mediterranean. It's 24 kilometers by 7 kilometers, but just 7-8 meters shallow. And that is like a dune here covered. Sorry, wasn't clear, but this is a dune. And what the king wants to do, like ecotouristic zone in here. For him to be able to do that, he was suggesting to make it very eco sort of touristic place. So we will try to engage in every single aspect of it in terms of renewables. The difference of, this is Mediterranean here, the difference of temperature between the inland and the sea, the lake temperature was different. We tried to use it as well in terms of the heating and cooling, certain aspects in here. We had tides because we had like water passing by here with different levels. We had solar energy. We tried to come up with some sort of design of combining solar, wind, and a biomass all together to create those sort of energy towers. Again, you can combine renewables different way. You can combine solar to make it water storage. You can do so many things. In it, you can just use the waste, as you could see as well. The water can be part of it in every single sense. Now, this is a building I've done. I'm sure you're familiar with the film James Bond, Casino Royale. James Bond, that movie, when he was fighting at the beginning of the film, he was fighting in the lift of that building in Prague. This is a design. I was the engineer on it, and the architects were KPF, called Fox. That very building is a 10-story building, roughly. That building, we don't have any sort of solar panels on it. We don't have wind turbines. We don't have waste, sort of biogas, whatever. But this building, I commissioned this 2003, 2004, and 2005. We got an award on this. The energy of this, from the developer point of view, was 73% less than a similar size building of theirs in the same area. This is about 30,000 square meters. And now, how we did this, again, this is what I'm saying, when you talk renewables, you don't just talk about a kit, is the thinking of it. This building here, this is the second, because there were 3 buildings. This is the second one I commissioned in 2005. What we did is, the whole building was high thermal mass. Just to tell you, the Czech Republic, in the winter can be -19. Normally, you design for -12, -15. In the summer, it can reach 40 degrees. Now, it's a landlocked. Temperature can fluctuate quite high between day and night. Now, there is a rule of